Another dramatic improvement comes with the addition of color. We've got a little bit of color in our titles. We can also shade cells in order to create that same visual flow and division. For example, let's select the cells across our titles, and let's hold down the Control key and select the cells along the side, and then we'll go to the Format Cells dialog box, and where Patterns, select the very, very pale yellow down here. You'll notice that the subheading for the tab Patterns is Cell Shading. Say OK. And again, let's go and look at that in our print preview. Go File, Print Preview, and let's zoom in on our worksheet. Here we go. You can see how just the addition of that color has really divided the title from the body and everything else in between. Let's go ahead and close this view. You can also add color by selecting a cell or range of cells, and up here in your formatting toolbar, this paint bucket is your fill tool for shading cells. So we could go and add a light gray color. And there again, if we want to take a quick print preview to see what that's going to look like on paper. It's not perfect, folks, but you get the idea. Okay, let's close this view. And before we move on from all of this aesthetic improvements, I want to show you a neat little trick called the Format Painter. If you select a range that has a formatting you're happy with, for example this entire spreadsheet, and click on the Format Painter. That's this paintbrush, and if you don't see it here, just take a look at the extra options in your toolbar. It's probably hiding in here somewhere. I'm going to select the Format Painter, and you notice we get the Marching Ants marquee, indicating that we've made a copy of some sort. Well, that's exactly what's happening. If you go to Sheet 2, and you can see we have an almost identical version of that spreadsheet waiting for us. Now, you don't have to have an identical version of the spreadsheet, but in this case it's convenient. Let's click and drag across the entire spreadsheet and let go. And you'll notice that it has automatically formatted our new spreadsheet to be exactly the way the old one was. So Format Painter is a great way to get a layout that you're happy with and then copy and paste just the formatting to other spreadsheets within your workbook.